It'll be interesting to see what happens on this restart. It'll either be 5 or 4 to go. I can't tell what number that is on the side of the screen. They're saying it is 5 to go, so it'll be 4 to go when we get the restart. Talking about some guys that are close to the playoff cutoff. Fuel still in play for the guys that stayed out. You never know if they could run out.
I got bad news for you, but I'm not going to tell you now. We're going to talk about it again. Yeah. Remember how close it was for Denny Hamlin just a week ago.
And remember, Kurt Busch is up there near the top 10, top 12. Don't let this happen again, Karma. All right, here we go. Everybody's jumbled up. Green flag. Here we go again. Hamlin should rocket away with the lead here, but here comes Erik Jones. He comes up to the second spot. He'll close up. And a little bit of contact there coming out of one. Kurt Busch won at Kentucky a couple of weeks back, and now another crash has happened. Busch goes around. McDowell in the 34. Caution comes out. The one must have lost a tire. And now this race heads into overtime.
Not at all. We talked about the 4 and 5 wide nature, Junior. Well, they came out of 1. And it was
you don't go out of turn 1 5 wide. You can do it on the front stretch, but you don't do it coming out of 1. And so much for the attempt for Kurt Busch. He was one of the guys that came into pit road earlier on the last caution. Another guy that's been somewhat snake-bitten this year. He's only got 1 win, as I said a couple of weeks ago at Kentucky.
And that will cut the tire down right here, or, yeah, either that or he just gets turned by the 17.
Oh, figures.
And that takes
the Ricky Stenhouse Demolition Derby. Figures.
There he is, yeah, so I think Stenhouse was the first one in the fence with all his cars side by side there. Not enough room. Yeah, Kurt Busch squeezing the 17 into the wall. And look at here, maybe the 17.
Causing wrecks to make sure all heck breaks loose since 2018. Ricky Stenhouse Jr.
Tippers flaring here on these restarts. I think we're going to get another.
I'm not sure how Kurt's going to react to that. Hopefully, he won't have too much of an adverse reaction.